There are many myths about canned fish. If you walk past canned fish in your supermarket to the fresh fish because you believe canned is inferior in quality and nutrition, then listen up. Canned tuna has more DHA, which is part of the omega-3 fat that looks after the health of your brain, heart, arteries and eyes. Look for tuna in spring water, as this will remove any extra ingredients like added salt and sugar. The processing methods of canned tuna reduce the risk of listeria, which is important if you're pregnant or if you have a compromised immune system. Preservatives are not needed or added in canned seafood. Canned seafood is heated under pressure, which kills all the microorganisms. And there is no BPA in Safcol Seafood canned products. There's a jungle of information available at your fingertips. Canned seafood will provide your body with many health benefits and will make your lifestyle approach to health and wellness easier.